What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have a smart air humidifier. You guys, this is one crazy humidifier. And the craziest part about this is right there, 50 hours of playtime. You guys, that is insane because for the most part, if you have kids or something, you putting the humidifier on probably during the night. If they have a cold or something, just in case people don't know, people use humidifiers for let's say like the winter time when it's dry. You want to keep the moisture going. They use dehumidifiers during the summer where they try to take out the moisture from the house, and that's dehumidifying. Humidifying is adding moisture. Dehumidifying is taking away moisture. So that's the best way I can explain that stuff to you, just in case you don't know. All right. And don't be discouraged. A lot of people don't really know. They just act like they know. So anyways, so that's one of the big things is 50 hours of playtime. Now, I used to do like decibel stuff. I used to test that stuff out, you guys. I'm not going to download the Decibel app right now. The first thing that shows up when you unbox this is the instruction. And here you go, the humidifier fresh out the box and the remote. It says it has 7-color RGB light. All right, so this looked like the float right here. The shootout for your mist is on top. Warning, when using the humidifier for the first time after adding water, wait 30 seconds before turning it on. All right, so wait 30 seconds. The water must have to go through the system. All right, so definitely, and I will put it up for you just in case you haven't read it. So there goes your warning. We do not have a max line on here, you guys. That's interesting. They usually have a max line. All right, you guys, we filled it up with some water and we're about to put it in. I don't know if y'all can hear it or not. It's going down, it's going down, it's going down. Once again, they said wait 30 seconds. This thing do cover 420 square foot, you guys. 420 square foot. That's like the size of a 2-car garage. All right. So I don't know if you can see it or not, but it's coming out. Now we are going to play with this thing. So it says wet right here. Let's hit wet. I'm gonna hit wet again. And it's coming out stronger. I'm gonna hit wet one more time. All right, so there's 3 settings. So this is the lower setting. Don't know if you can see it, but it has the dots right there. Oh, y'all can see it. It has the 3 dots right here. I'm gonna hit it again. And you can see more mist coming out. I'm gonna hit it again. And a whole lot of mist coming out. Now you can change the direction where you want the mist to go. The mist is coming out of 2 ports. So if you want one to come out of one side and one to come out the other side, there you go. All right, so you have wet right there. Let's go to lights. Let's see. All right, so we have a light right there. Okay, so that's just a regular light. So it says color here. Okay, let's hit light, let's hit color. You see it says color. We're waiting for the colors. Oh, it's colored on the inside. Turning the lights off. All right, so you could kind of see it. All right, right now it says green. Let me turn the back lights off. Now you could kind of see the green right there. I'm gonna keep changing the color for y'all. Now it's flashing on the camera, but nothing is flashing in real life like me looking at it. Okay, now we're back to normal. It actually shows you a digital display. So 2 hours, 4 hours, 8 hours. And I know y'all probably can't see it, but I'm just going over it with y'all. brightness. You could turn the brightness of your light. So let's go to regular light. All right, I'm gonna go all the way up. Oh, now you can see. Now it's bright. So we had the brightness low. But you can't see it because I got the lights on anyway. All right, so we have sleep mode. So right now we have it in sleep mode, but the mist is still going. All right, I'm gonna take it off of sleep mode, and that's about it, you guys. We went over basically everything you need to go over with this product. And enjoy yourself in case, oh, I'm not gonna say enjoy yourself. All right, you guys, so if y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, please put it in the comment section and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. All right, you guys, and before I leave this product, right here is a little slot. Now, in their little picture description, it looks like you can add like a drop of oil here, but I just want to warn you, it has holes right there, okay? So they do have some some fragrance, essential fragrance that you can put in. We usually put it in the water. I don't know if you can or not. I guess that's debatable amongst the community of humidifiers. All right, so you know, however you put your essential oil in there, you know, that's how you do it. But you know, I'm not sure if I want to put the oil in here. It has holes. So, I mean, you have a thing here, right here, that you can put it on, and you could put drops on it. So it's right there. All right. So you could put your drops on that and then put it in. And I will let y'all know, like, later on if I smell anything different or whatnot. Most of the time, I'm not an essential oil type of person. I get the humidifiers because my kids have asthma and they have allergies like crazy, you guys. So for the most part, I use the regular humidifier. My wife used the humidifier. Another thing that you need to do with humidifiers, just in case somebody don't know, you have to clean out your humidifier, you guys. You have to clean it out. It gets moldy and stuff like that if you leave it dirty. So you don't want to leave all that bacteria in there. So make sure you clean your humidifier. Some people clean it weekly. Some people clean it every 2 days. Some people clean it however often that you think you should clean it. All right, so that will be it. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.